Dear USA, all nations and 7.9 plus billions of humans, I hope we are all in the same page on this regard. That I'm providing very, very crucial, very, very important civil justice for my sign off for myself, and so multitasking is the wisdom. With that said, I will quickly read through this civil justice sign off. Civil justice sign off as in April 5th of 2021 is when there is 1 minute divorce closure sign off, signed healthiest by prostitute, Roman Catholics, Jesuits, Vatican leader Pope Francis in Las Vegas, Sin City in USA. Why there is mandated divorce delayed and poverty mandate, help process, Holocaust Nazism mandate in other states of USA, and how DCF, Department of Children Families of USA, provided ex parte services in past 500 years, 2019, 2020, 2021. I, Vedapriya Prose, proved Department of Children Families, ex parte tax fraud crime, and Vatican Jesuits tax fraud crime, and Roman Province Jesuits organization tax fraud crime, and tax organizations as in state of Wisconsin, state of headquartered in state of Wisconsin, state of Illinois, state of Michigan, state of New York, state of New England, state of Louisiana, state of Maryland, state of Missouri, state of California, and state of Oregon. Now you all got it, isn't it? How every crime you name, whatever severity level, it's all tracing only to the Vatican. Got it? Yeah, so I will read that part of the civil justice one more time. I, Vedapriya Prose, proved Department of Children Families ex parte tax fraud crime and Vatican Jesuits tax fraud crime and Roman Province Jesuits organization in all the 10 states which I already mentioned, right? The tax fraud crime and at fault DCF found guilty in all counts of crimes of Vatican should be sealed and shut down. Pope Francis must resign now, and President Joe Biden must resign now, and I, Vedapriya Prose, should be the Vatican leader, interim leader of USA, Supreme Civil Judge for all nations, Supreme Family Law Judge for all nations, Supreme Children Law Judge for all nations, Supreme Children Law for Judge for all nations. Then, what is the last part of the civil justice which I want to read it to you all so that we all can be on the same page? It is when there is never prostitute, Pope Francis created child marriage law, never law for Swiss Guard rifles drugs law, never law for Native Indian tribes, never activated 18th law, and injustice full of Second Amendment law in USA 27 Amendments chart, and 1 minute divorce closure sign off in Las Vegas, Sin City, created by Pope Francis and signed healthiest by, that's a typo error, just adjust with it, by Department of Health Services of USA in all 50 states. How USA signed poison delayed poverty mandate divorce help process in other states in USA in past 500 years, 2019, 2020, 2021, and why prostitute Pope Francis, France leader, and Sicily Archbishop, co-princes of Andorra, gave Vatican abuse of law handbook to USA, and USA 50 state lawmakers, criminal judges, Supreme Court judges, civil judges, Supreme Court judges, criminal lawyers, civil lawyers, Republican Democrat Senate, GOP Congress, House of Representatives, mayors, governors, presidents, vice presidents provided ex parte tax fraud crime, and here is already 2021. So did education fail humanity, or did humanity fail education? I, Vedapriya Prose, proved root cause for any or all of the USA government errors, and I want civil justice as Holy Bible guidelines only. So civil justice as of April 3rd of 2021 is Antichrist Pope Francis must resign now, and I, Vedapriya Prose, must be the Vatican leader now. 46th President lawyer Democrat Joe Biden of USA must resign now, and I, Native Indian tribe, true owner of USA, must be interim leader of USA now. At fault and found guilty of crime of Vatican DCF agency in all 50 states of USA must be sealed and shut down in next 1 second for classified human endangerment and tax fraud crime. And I alone can bail out DCF agency of USA, nobody can. So USA must pay tax-free $1,500,000 trillion to IM in next 1 second, and state of Wisconsin must pay tax-free $500 billion to IM, and USA DCF agency per state times 50 states is 50 times 50 is tax-free $2,500 billion to IM. And I, Vedapriya Pro Se, proved Medicaid, Medicare of USA in all 50 states is wrong, and it is crime of at fault found guilty of USA. USA must pay me salary of at least tax-free $1 trillion for I displayed Medicaid and Medicare 500 years, 2019, then 2020, then 2021 scandal of DHS, Department of Health Services to USA. Now, what is a homework assignment for you all? Do you all know for your birthrights, when there is 1 minute divorce closure sign off in Las Vegas, Sin City, USA, is healthiest, signed by prostitute Roman Catholics, Jesuits, Vatican leader Pope Francis, and Department of Health Services to destroy human operating system as per absolute monarch's abuse law? USA nation, Department of Children Families in all 50 states in USA should never have ex parte Holocaust Nazism hell law created by Vatican, and it is crime. So are you all aware of it or not? Yes or no? Thank you all for your time. Take care. Bye for now.